particular model. Because when we were growing up, we didn't have this kind of mentoring. Somebody would tell us that you have a LinkedIn profile and then so on and so forth. But yeah, I think if these guys are starting it from the first year, by the time they reach the graduation or the third year, they would have a very broader understanding of how the market is. Any field that they want to go to, marketing, sales, media, copywriting, editing, anything, they will know what is the entire ecosystem all about, which all companies exist, which is the best three companies, which are the company they are supposed to go or not go, how culturally diverse they are. So everything is there.
Hey guys, this is Jen and welcome to Media Mentors podcast for the youth. We have all heard about the importance कि हाँ LinkedIn पे जाना चाहिए, वहाँ पे जॉब मिलती है, कैसे अप्लाई करना है, none of us know. We want to know why it is important and how it is going to help students to get jobs and internships after or during their 3 years of degree. Today we have someone special with us who is going to tell us a lot about LinkedIn and jobs and how to apply and use LinkedIn. So we have Mr. Bhushan Zore, who is an MBA in marketing and has been working in the sales and marketing department for the last 8 years. And he's currently handling international business. So I would like to invite him and share his insights about LinkedIn. So hello Bhushan and welcome to Media Mentors podcast for the youth. As I already said that this video is something important for the students who want to venture out for jobs and internships and how important it is to have a social, social media app or something like that where you can showcase your skills. So today we're going to talk about LinkedIn and is it mandatory for any student of, first, second or third year, in college to have a LinkedIn profile? Is it mandatory and if yes, why?
Well, the basics of LinkedIn is it's a professional network.
Right.
Just like you have a lot of social websites to connect to your social network, this is completely professional network. So it depends on what is it that you're seeking from your college or consider it as a professional life. If you're a student, you want to do internship, then if you have your LinkedIn account, you can list down a list of your target companies, probably to which you want to apply to. The beauty of it is you can connect to the right decision makers, such as the HRs or the talent acquisition head, and you can send in your resume. You can send in then email requests that you are a student of so and so year and interested to do internship with so and so firm. And probably if they read your message and happen to find a opening for an intern for a specific period of time, they might even revert you. So it's a game of probability. You request or you get in touch with 10 companies, and then out of that probably 3-4 will revert to you, and then you choose. That's how it is. So yeah, it is very important for somebody who is very serious about their profession to have a LinkedIn account.
Okay, and I think there could be a difference because LinkedIn, when I use it, I understand that it's not as casual as we see Facebook and other social media platforms. So do you think that all the jobs there are authentic and is it going to benefit students for sure, or there's a so-so chance?
Absolutely. So whatever jobs you see there are 100% posted by the company. So no question about authenticity. Of course, yes, there might be a person or 2% wherein you will find people fakes and wanting you to end up paying, say, around about X amount, 4,000, 5,000 to get a job. But those are all scams. You have to avoid that. You'll find that across the internet everywhere. 99% you'll have authenticity wherein you have the HRs from the registered companies posting for the requirements of internship, if they have a job opening or even if they have a short-time gig for 3 months or 6 months, then yeah, very much. So again, coming back to the previous question and this question combined together, you have to have a LinkedIn profile and actively you can look up the various openings that you have or the opportunity that you have.
So guys, as you know, you have watched previous videos and Pooja ma'am has mentioned that we are going to have a lot of courses. So this time we are having a course which is going to help you, it's going to benefit you in terms of your interview skills, your LinkedIn profile, your writing on your your skill development and things like that, and that will be taken care of by Bhushan himself in the particular course. And we are having this online and offline both. So Bhushan, you tell me how this course is going to benefit and who exactly should join.
So everybody who is very serious about their career, right from the first year till the third year, And even beyond, like if you talk about the postgraduates, everybody must have a LinkedIn profile and also a damn good CV. The best part about this probably the course or guidance is gonna be that we will help you have that extra notch, and we will guide you how to connect to companies or corporates and how to target companies. Also, going beyond that, there will be a special edition wherein there will be hacks given especially to the guys who are coming in via this course, right? As to how to directly get into that touch with that relevant decision-making person and also get their contact details. So what happens is 99% of these guys might not share their contact details, but there are certain hacks which we will exclusively want to tell or reveal or teach these guys when they join this particular course. So so that is hitting right there on the spot on the target, and they will have an advantage over almost every one, like 100% of their peers, if they are going via this particular model. Because when we were growing up, we didn't have this kind of mentoring. Somebody would tell us that you have a LinkedIn profile and then so on and so forth. But yeah, I think if these guys are starting it from the first year, by the time they reach the graduation or the third year, they would have a very broader understanding of how the market is. Any field that they want to go to, marketing, sales, media, copywriting, editing, anything, they will know what is the entire ecosystem all about, which all companies exist, which is the best 3 companies, which are the company they are supposed to go or not go, how culturally diverse they are. So everything is there. So their R&D about the companies on LinkedIn will give them a broader idea about which company is the best and how do we approach it and who's the right person for it.
Correct.
So rather than avoiding all the hassles, whatever they learn during this course will help them grow beyond the 3 years in the future career as well. Yeah.
That is one good point, because by ourselves, when you go to write CVs, when you go to apply, it becomes so confusing ki what keywords to use, where to apply, whom to approach. It gets very confusing, and then I as a student would totally give up. So if I had someone to mentor me like that, to write a proper CV and everything, that is great. When I'm in my first year, second year, it is very important to write a very good, strong CV according to your skills. So this is a very good benefit that you as students can get after joining this particular course. So everything about this course, all the details, where to apply, how to apply, everything is in the description box. So go check that out. And if you still have questions, where, how, what, when, you can WhatsApp us on the number in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for a lot of such amazing podcasts on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
करियर का सवाल है मेरे भाई, शेयर सब्सक्राइब जल्दी.